Okay, we're on video. What are you doing?
I'm drying it.
Hi, sir. You want to be on camera? Say hi. Wave. 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 Go like that. You go like that.
What's that?
Oh, merci. Some music. I don't know the speaker is on it. This is us blazed out of our mind. Part 1.
Get it away from my face. Film yourself too. Awesome.
I just have your head.
Awesome.
There you go.
Alright.
Joking. That's gonna be interesting for Tyler to
It's
see.
on YouTube.
What?
Go up. Fucking pervert. Don't even stop.
Shake that ass. That sucked.
I know. You know why?
You sucked at doing it.
You know why? What? I turned that way and almost fell to the wall and tried to pull it off. And I almost fell. I was like, my bro. What do you have? What are you filming?
You.
But like what up me?
Your face, you
Only
idiot.
my face?
It's up. Don't you see it's
No,
up?
it looks down.
It's up.
These are 10 times. No, they're not. They're 100 times.
That's why I thought the teacher was gonna start smoking them.
I know. She took a cigarette. I'm like, Miss, you better not break that. You hear me saw. I was like, never mind. She's like, it doesn't smell good. I'm like, yeah, it does. I'm like, you smell good. Yo.
Mine smelled better, like my
Miss
prime time.
Ann was like trying to say that you were doing coke. She got bags and you're pale and you're tired looking. That's what happens when you do coke. I swear to God.
Who was trying to say that? Anne Margaret?
Yeah. Yo, what are you filming now?
You!
But no, it was down.
It was like this.
Okay.
Smile.
Hey, you don't want no red around here. No, I'm joking. She's blue under
I
me.
think she's gonna fight you. She's getting ready to
She's
getting ready to fight you.
Are we getting on the bus? No way.
No.
I like your jacket. It looks warm.
But I like the color.
Yeah, yeah. It's nice.
It looked like she was getting ready to fight you when she turned the corner and you're like, no, no, red. And
Yo,